Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the i100 TWS replica AirPods. I actually got these on eBay instead of AliExpress like I normally do. And the reason for that is that I got these ones on AliExpress and these were not the real i100s. They did not have the proximity sensors in the ears like they were supposed to, and they were just really cheap quality. But I'll be showing you these two, and I'll leave a link to the shop that I got them from in the description. He took the listing down for these, so I won't be able to leave a link to the actual listing, but I will show the shop and you can know not to buy from him. The hinge is just really weak. As you can see, it just kind of gets stuck like that. It's really stiff, and altogether these just aren't the best quality. I think they might be i80s or something because of the fact that they have this like new style pop-up and battery display, but it's not got the proximity sensors. There's also glue poking out around the earpiece, so these just seem really cheap. Also, the mic holes are covered in like a white layer for some reason and aren't actually like a mesh. Also, looking inside the ear cup, you can see there's like just a tiny slit where the speakers can poke through. So these just aren't very good quality, and so I'll leave that store. I'll probably put up the store number like right here or something, you know, right there, and you can see what that is. So just know, don't buy from that guy because he's trying to argue that they got messed up in shipping, but I know that's not true. Okay, so we're gonna look inside this i100, and I don't actually have the manual. I don't know what I did with it, but it was just a small one. If I find it, then I will include a picture in the description so you can see that, but I don't know where it is right now. And so here they are. They have the proximity sensors. You can actually see there's a little cutout there where it goes, and they pair with the new style, and then they also come with the charging cable wrapped up like the real one, and it seems like a pretty good charging cable. It doesn't seem that cheap. Like, I'd probably trust using this on my phone without it being a problem. The charging cable in here was actually wrapped up like this, and it made it so the box couldn't even close, so that's why it's kind of like wasn't able to close with the AirPods inside. But yeah, so altogether this was just a really crappy pair. So now I'm gonna try pairing it with my phone and showing you how that works. Okay, so here I am on my XS, and you can see that I'm in version 12.3.1, and so we're gonna try opening the case, which has a very nice snap to the lid, which I enjoy. It's a lot like the real AirPods. So we're gonna connect, and also the materials feel pretty high quality for these. Alright, they're connecting. All you have to do is hold the button on the back. And so once they're paired, you don't have to do that anymore. It's only the first time, unless you forget them as a device, then you have to redo it. But then you'll hit done, and then you can actually see the individual AirPods battery and the charging case. And then if you go to the widgets and you show the battery, you can see the same thing right there, which is really cool. So now I'm going to try out the touch functionality. So I'm going to actually have to put these in my ears because of the proximity sensors, but I will show that the proximity sensors work. So right now they're playing the music, but if I pick them off the table, then they pause, which is really nice. So I'm going to put them back down and hit play, and then once I take them off, you can see it pauses. Okay, so now I've got them in my ears, and I'm going to try out the touch functionality. There is no voice to these whenever you connect them and pair them. It just, like, whenever I put them in my ears, there's a little beep, which is just how the real ones are too. And so I think that these have the faucet kind of touch functionality. So I'm going to just try tapping it once. I'm going to try tapping it twice. Okay, so twice seemed to play. I'm gonna go to a different video, or a different song that doesn't have a video. Okay. Try double tapping. Double tapping seemed to pause and play. I'm gonna try triple tapping. So triple tapping on the right ear seems to go to the next song. I'll try Triple tapping on the left ear seems to go to the previous song, and then 2 taps seems to open up Siri, and 3 goes to the previous song. Okay, so that works pretty good. So I'm gonna try 3 again. It's just hard to figure out which part you're supposed to actually press on, but I think it has to be the area between the 2 little dots right here. But alright, so the touch functionality works pretty good. You have a good assortment of commands that you can do from them, and here I'll show you that when I take them out of my ear, it does pause, and when you put them in, it's just a small beep, which is nice, letting you know that they're in your ear. So you take it out and it pauses, and you can even have it with one ear in and play it, so that's nice. And if you put one in the case, you can still use just one by itself, so that works nicely. And now I'm going to show you this compared to the real AirPods, and I'm going to show you the pop-up and how it's the same. So these have already been paired, so it's not going to have the same kind of hold button to pair, but you can see it shows all those individual battery lives again, and then right here it shows them as one, but if you put one away, then it should show them as 2 different ones. So if they have different battery lives, it will split them into their own individual thing in the widget. So now I'm going to try using a wireless charger to see if these are able to wirelessly charge. I'm not sure if they are or not, and this is just blinking green, so that means that they do not wireless charge. Okay, and now we're also going to try doing a voice memo so you can hear what the sound is like on these. I have not tried to make calls with them yet, so I'm not sure how that is, but I will do a voice recording real quick and I'll include that in the video instead of the sound recorded on the camera. So I'm recording now. This is a test of the replica AirPod i100's microphone. So I will include that in the video so you can hear what it sounds like. But like I said, I've not tested them on calls, and if I do try that before this video is up, then I'll put that in the description, and I will also be doing a range test and putting that in the description if you're interested in that. And now I'm going to try weighing them against the real AirPods. So we gotta switch it over to grams. Alright, so now we're on grams. These weigh about 38 grams, 37, 38. And then we're gonna try these. The real ones, they weigh about 46 grams, and that is with a small metal dust guard. So these are still a little bit heavier, but the materials in these i100s do feel really good quality still. And a couple of things people were saying about the i60s was that there was a humming noise whenever you weren't playing anything, and I have not had that with these, and it's just silent whenever nothing's playing. And the sound quality on them is very good. It has slightly more bass than the real AirPods. These are a little bit more expensive though. I think that they are about 70 bucks on eBay, and then I think that you can also buy them off Amazon if you're interested. I can include both links in the description. But altogether, I feel like these are a really good pair of i100s, and if you're using something like the i30s or something like that, and you want something with the proximity sensors, I think that's a really nice feature to have. Some other things about these to keep in mind is that the battery is accurate, and it does not have any of the logos. So if you're looking for something like that, these don't have them anywhere on the earbuds or the case, and the box also does not have any of them. And I'm gonna be giving these away, so if you want to win them, then go to the link in the description and it'll have a couple of different ways for you to enter the giveaway. One nice thing about ordering them on eBay is that they do have fast shipping. I just thought I'd include that because they are shipping out of California. So I got mine about 3 days, and it's free shipping on these. Yeah, and I'm gonna be giving these away, so if you want to win them, then go to the link in the description and it'll have a couple of different ways for you to enter the giveaway. One nice thing about ordering them on eBay is that they do have fast shipping. They are shipping out of California. So I got mine about 3 days and it's free shipping on these. I also did a battery test, I meant to include that. They lasted an hour and 55 minutes with the left earbud dying first and the right earbud still having some battery left. So that's pretty good. That's about the same as the i60s and the i30s. And if you're interested in seeing my video on these super copies that I just got in, these are new. These are not the Pods Bay ones. These are really good super copies. If you're interested in seeing this, then make sure that you are subscribed and have the bell icon on, because I will be posting that video very shortly. I'm still testing them out, making sure that there's no surprises with them, but these have so far been the best pair that I've ever gotten of super copies with the logos and everything on them. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned, and good luck on the giveaway. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to maybe like and comment and let me know what I can do better. And thanks for watching. Peace out.